5 a.m. Friday, January 21st. We want to get right to Mariah Gallegos with what many of you are waking up to with our weather. Mariah, good morning.
Good morning, Barbie, John Thomas, and Coastal Bend. We are keeping track this morning, staying busy. Here's a look at the Harbor Bridge from our Lex Cam. We do have a crew out there setting up. They're going to be keeping track of this morning. We're also going to be talking with TxDOT here shortly. You can see cars back there are driving along the bridge. There are no road closures as of now. We've actually been able to remain steady in those mid-30s above freezing temperatures. Now remember, we do have to reach freezing temps. Our air temps do have to get to 32 or below for us to even see some freezing rain accumulate here this morning in Corpus Christi. But otherwise, dew points at 27 degrees. Those northerly winds in place between 15 and about 25 miles an hour. Here's temps across the Coastal Bend area. So again, Corpus Christi and our surrounding areas from Ingleside to the coast to even Kingsville have remained steady in those mid-30s. So, which is a good thing. I mean, you know, once we get to those freezing temps, that's whenever we start to run into those hazardous weather conditions. Falfurrias and south of Falfurrias is at and below freezing temps, and they also just saw a bulk of rain kind of move through them within the last hour. So I want to take you through the radar. Hey, we do have a freeze warning still in effect until noontime. We also have that winter storm warning still in effect until noontime. Here's again that freezing warning that went into effect last night. Here's two looks at two different radars. So this radar system, less aggressive. I know you see a lot of that green. That isn't strong downpours that's moving over Corpus Christi. Those are light showers. And I know you see those white and purple colors moving across Orange Grove and Alice. That is that wintry precip. What we've been tracking is that's possible sleet. I want to explain why it can be tricky to keep track of freezing rain accumulation. It's because the way that we get our data is through, you know, computers, and we don't have a person out there observing that physical data out there. So what it's looking like right now, based off of what we're seeing and the reports that are coming in, Falfurrias and south of Falfurrias is seeing some of that wintry mix already starting to formulate this morning as they're starting to see more of that heavy downpour. So we could still see that happen here in Corpus Christi as this system continues to kick off east and as our temperatures drop over the next 2 hours. Radiational cooling is going to play a big part in this. We'll keep track of this throughout our show. Just wanted to touch on it for you guys for now. Heading out the door again, try to stay off the roads as long as you can. It looks like 8:30 to 9:30 is going to be a better time for commute. We'll check on this in just a second, keeping you updated throughout the show. For now, over to John Thomas and Barbie.